see it?
The 383, our first time.
Are there 3 engines on that one? Can you want to get over here a little bit?
Ooh, look at those new cars. The 383, it's a different one.
Is it your buddies? Yep, it's your buddies. They're waving.
Hang on.
$3.99, $3.93.
83.
Oh, that's a new one. I've never seen this one before.
I've seen it on YouTube, I told you. What do you think? That's our first time seeing the 383. I've seen it on YouTube. I watched it.
Yeah.
And it has a different horn. It's like,
Whole bunch of them.
those are new trailers that I haven't seen.
Yeah. Now that's one we haven't seen before.
Those are train mats.
That's a what?
Train mats on those cars.
Oh, okay.
So when did that train start to go through here for the first time?
I don't know.
Is that 383 going to go the other way?
I'm not sure what they're going to do yet. They're going to swap trains.
So the 392 and 382 is going to go.
Yeah, but I want to go over there and watch. Drive over there and see what they do.
Well, want to come with us?
Go there and see.
Well, I'll stay here. I'm going to get back on the other side.
You got to get back on yours. No, I want to keep being with you then. Are you going back over there now?
Not yet. We'll see what they're doing. I'll listen to them on the radio.
It records some for me too.